In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple different view options you've got when you're in the barometer on your Casio Pro Trek Module 5673 watch. So I'm going to go through this rather quickly. I've done some other videos in the past that walk you through the barometer feature. We're going to go ahead and press the bottom left button one time from our main timekeeping mode, and you can see it's put us in our barometer mode. And this is basically what your barometer is going to look like. You've got some little dots down here in the bottom left. Those represent 2-hour blocks for the last 20 hours. So I can see what's my barometric pressure trend been doing over the last 20 hours. If your trend's going up, it means this weather is normally getting a little better. If it's going down, it indicates a decline in the barometric pressure, and your weather can usually start getting worse. In my case, we're in the middle of some rain, so my barometric pressure has been going down over the last couple of days. You've also got your current barometric pressure reading. The purpose of this video is to talk about this right here. My second hand is going around just like regular. Your analog values are going to be your time. But you can also change that if you wanted to view the difference between your current barometric pressure and the barometric pressure reading from 2 hours ago. And the way we're going to do that, now watch my second hand, is while I'm in the barometer, I'm going to press the top left button, and instead, it's pointing down to this value. I'm going to try and zoom in a little bit. Your chapter ring on the inside has some number values. And what this is showing me is that my barometric pressure has dropped, by about 1 inch of mercury or 10 hectopascals in the last 2 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom back out a little bit. But this is another option. You can either have your seconds going around, or you can have your second hand pointing to the differential between your current barometric pressure and the barometric pressure reading that was your last reading 2 hours ago automatically by the watch. Pointing down lets you know that your barometric pressure has dropped since the last reading. It can also be pointing up. If it happens to be pointing directly across, it means it's stable. It's the exact same reading as it was 2 hours ago. The cool thing about this watch is it will remember whatever value you've chosen. So in my case, I've changed it. Now I'm looking at the barometric pressure differential. Let's go ahead and let's get out of the barometer. And now let's go back into it. And remember before where it was using my second hand as a second value, it remembers that I wanted to use it as the differential pointer. So now it's set to use it for that. So that's basically your view options. If you decide you don't like having your second hand stationary, or you don't care that you're seeing your differential and you want to go back to your second hand, simply press the top left button. It's a simple toggle. And now it goes back to viewing it as a second hand. Pretty simple stuff. That's a couple different view options for you in your barometer. As always, I hope the video helped. If it did, thumbs up are always appreciated. Thanks for watching.